Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sumo deadlift. First, let's set up your stance. Your feet should be much wider than shoulder width, with your toes pointing out at about a 45-degree angle. Bring your shins very close to the bar, about 1 inch away. This wide stance allows for a more upright torso and a shorter range of motion, making it a powerful lift. Now, let's talk about your grip and initial setup. Your grip should be narrow, inside your legs, which is a key difference from conventional deadlifts. You can use an overhand grip or a mixed grip for better security. Before lifting, engage your lats by pulling the bar close, take a deep breath, and brace your core tightly. This creates a stable base for the lift. With your setup complete, it's time to execute the pull. Focus on pushing the floor away with your legs, almost like a leg press. Keep your chest up and your shoulders pulled back, maintaining a neutral spine. Extend your hips and knees at the same time, standing tall. Do not pull with your back, let your powerful legs do the work. Finally, let's discuss the descent and some crucial form tips. To lower the bar, reverse the pulling motion, controlling the weight all the way down. Do not just drop it. Always prioritize a neutral spine. Avoid rounding your lower back, especially during the descent. Keep the bar path straight and very close to your body for maximum efficiency and safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.